Shri Sadananda Gowda Garu, Honorable Union Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers. Shri Manushuk Mandaviyaji, Honorable Minister of State Chemicals and Fertilizers and Shipping. Shri Chabilendra Rao, Secretary of Fertilizers. Senior officials of Government of India and other dignitaries present in this video conferencing. A very warm greetings to all of you. It gives us great pleasure to come together in the launch of this POS software and SMS service to the farmers and doorstep delivery of fertilizers through RBKs. In fact, Andhra Pradesh is established 10,641 RBKs. These Raitu Bharosa Kendras is what we call them. In fact, after our government came into existence, we made sure that governance is taken to the village. So in line with that, we've established Grama Secretariats in every village. Taking that Grama Secretariats forward, we've also launched these RBKs just beside the Grama Secretariats. So we've launched around about 10,641 RBKs in every village now in Andhra Pradesh. You have these RBKs functioning. In these RBKs, you have an agricultural assistant. You have a agricultural assistant sitting down there rendering the services. You have an agriculture assistant. Wherever you have horticulture plants, you have a horticulture assistant. You have in around about 700 villages where aqua cultivation takes place. You also have an aqua assistant also there. All of these are BSc agriculture graduates who sit down there in these RBKs to deliver these services to the farmers. What RBKs does currently, what RBKs are doing, the objective as to why these RBKs have come into existence is to make sure that the farmer benefits through the services of these RBKs. We are delivering through these RBKs quality tested, quality guaranteed seeds, fertilizers and pesticides directly through these RBKs at the doorstep of the farmer in that particular village. There is a digital kiosk in all these RBKs. You have a smart TV there. You have whiteboards, digital library, chairs where farmers could sit down, method demonstration equipment, soil and seed testing equipment, and all these things are literally present there in these RBKs. The farmers can place the orders of their choice of products of seeds, fertilizers and pesticides through these digital kiosks and get the products within 24 hours to 48 hours. Through smart TVs, farmers training is also done through videos, crop and pest management aspects are also taught through these videos. There is a call center by telephone number 155251, what is also in existence, which also gives farmers live interaction with the scientists. And in a few places, the smart TVs are also being used to in live interacting with scientists as well. So far, the call center received around about 46,500 calls so far from farmers. And during the COVID lockdown period, around about 6.9 lakh quintals of 15 different crop seeds were distributed to 13.64 lakh farmers through RBKs at village level itself. through RBKs using e-crop booking app. 49.14 lakh farmers were registered, and 1 crore 12 lakh acres of agriculture and allied sector details are documented with the details of crop, variety, date of sowing and date of harvesting, etc., where now Andhra Pradesh can boast about e-cropping for almost for the entire crop.
Hello, this is Renu Desai. Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe iDream.
Hi, this is Revati Chaudhary. For more videos, please subscribe iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe iDream.
మీరందరూ కూడా iDream ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
I'm Sucharita, Home Minister of Andhra Pradesh. For more videos, subscribe iDreams.